Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zendesk messaging for proactive e-commerce support. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your existing Zendesk account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate the admin icon on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the admin icon to access the administration settings. In the admin panel, find the Channels section in the menu. Under the Channels section, select Messaging. Now, look for the option that allows you to enable messaging features. Click on the Enable button to activate messaging on your account. After enabling, you may be prompted to configure your messaging settings. Customize the appearance of your messaging widget to match your brand. Next, set up proactive messaging features to engage customers based on their behavior. To do this, navigate to the Proactive Messaging tab within the Messaging settings. Here, you can create automated messages triggered by specific actions, like page visits or cart abandonment. Define the target audience for these messages to ensure they reach the right customers. Once your messages are set up, preview them to see how they will appear to users. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize your messaging content. After finalizing your settings, save all changes to activate proactive messaging. Finally, test the messaging feature on your store to confirm it works as intended. Your Zendesk messaging is now ready for proactive e-commerce support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.